Imagine two scenarios. In the first scenario, you've just had a great holiday, you've had a couple weeks off, and now you're going back to work tomorrow and you realize, oh no, all my calls have been going to voicemail for the entire time I've been away. And I'm going to have to listen to all of those voicemails and go through the press 3, press 5, deleted, message deleted. Oh, message saved for later, message deleted. Is that how you want to end your holidays? Or imagine the other scenario where you realize, oh, brilliant. I signed up for an AI receptionist. I'm going to get a spreadsheet in the morning with all of my calls, all summarized, cataloged, ready for me to take action on, and I can enjoy my last night on holidays. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to be the first or the second? Because I'd imagine most people would want to be the second. Stay tuned and we'll take a look at how you can be the person kicking your feet up and enjoying that last night on holidays. So to do this, you need an AI receptionist. Stop losing customers while you're offline this summer. You can install a temporary AI agent to capture every missed call. How am I offering this? I'm using the Retail AI platform. Now, you might have seen my previous video where I talked about voice agents being huge in 2026. This is what that could look like. Here we have a holiday receptionist template. Your goal is to be better than voicemail, fast, clear, and respectful of the caller's time. Use this flow for a normal call. So you want to greet them, introduce your business name, your closing start date, your reopen date. You can give the agent a custom name, and then it goes through and just wants to grab a message off them. It's friendly, it's easy, and then it pushes it out into a database and catalogs it all. And using ChatGPT to summarize the call, to index it, to catalog it. And so you don't have to listen to all those voicemails. You can just come back to a spreadsheet delivered into your inbox with all of the calls and all the summaries. That sounds amazing, Dave. Surely that can't be real. The technology cannot be that good. How can I test it? How can I know that it's real? Well, that is where we have the demo system set up here, where on the webpage you can try it now. So we're gonna put in some details here. Let's use the example details. Let's be Jordan. Let's be from Acme Ponies. And so I want my pony business to be able to take a break over the summer and not have to worry about all my customer inquiries. But if people want to know about my pony business, I of course need to be able to get back to them in the new year. So I fill out the details of my business that I want to experience a demo of the holiday agent for, and I hit the call me now button. Now that's going to go into my backend systems, and I've got workflows set up that are now going to trigger off the robot to call me, a little bit backwards from what you'd have on your holiday agent. But there we go. There is the call coming in. Let's answer that onto speakerphone.
Thanks for calling Acme Ponies. We are currently closed for the holiday break, but please leave a message and we'll get back to you in the new year. That is exactly how I would greet your customers. But let's test how well I listen. Go ahead and leave me a mock message. Pretend you're a client needing an appointment or a quote, and I'll show you exactly how I summarize it for you. Your turn. Say your mock message now.
Yeah, I'd like to talk about getting a pony party for my daughter in late January, maybe around the 20th. Is that something you guys can help me with? It sounds like you'll be back online by then.
I've captured that. Pony party for your daughter in late January around the 20th. Asking if we can help and noting our return by then. Check your email right now. I'm sending the full transcript and a structured summary of this call so you can see exactly what you get while you're on holiday. Click the link in that email if you want to get me set up before your break starts. Thanks, Jordan.
That's it. That's So did it do anything? It sounded friendly. It promised to do things, but is it actually going to deliver on any of those things that it promised me? That is the question. Well, let's jump into my inbox and have a look and see what it delivered. Boom. Thanks for trying it, Jordan. And caller asked about booking a pony party for their daughter in late January, approximately January 20th. Inquired if the company could provide that service, noting the company would be back from holiday by then. There you go. So you can read through this, but imagine you had to listen to that full message and work it out and then go, this is now capturing all that information for you. Caller asked, summarizes it, makes it nice and tight, gives that to you in a spreadsheet with their phone number, perhaps an email address, whatever you need to capture. The holiday receptionist will capture that and deliver it to you when you get back. So now you are no longer having to dread the voicemail. Oh my goodness, so many voicemails. You don't need to do that anymore. With this holiday receptionist system, you can go on holidays, take a break, knowing that your phone calls are being managed, tracked, cataloged, ready for you to deal with when you return. And how are we doing all this? This is the magic of these automation solutions that we work with nowadays, where for that demonstration you just saw, started with the demo sign up form. We made sure the phone number was in the right format, put it in my CRM, then initiated the call, and we logged the call. And then when the call finished, we listened to that on a thing called a webhook, which is just a way that internet applications can send each other messages. And then if it was analyzed and had the summary ready, we build the email and we send out the message. Really, really simple. But imagine I was trying to do that by hand. Imagine every time someone wanted to know about this, I had to jump on a call, schedule a call with them, take them through the demo, show them what that looks like. Then I've got to the next step and the next step and the next step. By automating this, not only can people access this service when it's convenient for them, they can test it out when it's convenient for them, but it's not taking up a bunch of my time either. So I can continue building the next thing and working on the next part of my business. So if that's something you're interested in, using these automations and workflows to buy your own time back by allowing customers to self-serve more effectively, to auto-respond, maybe it's customized voice agents beyond the holiday receptionist era, and you want to know how you can use voice in order to buy time back for you and your business, reach out, let us know. We would love to talk about how we can help you with that. So what do you think of all of this voice agent business? Are you excited about the prospect of being able to go on holidays and not have to listen to voicemails when you get back? If you are, make sure you hit up the link that's down in the description. And if you want to know more about my predictions for why voice is going to be so big in 2026, you might like checking out that video up there. And we'll see you on the next one.